need half a lemon. All right, just like this. All right, simple. Then pour it out like that. Get your apple cider vinegar and give it a shake. One teaspoon. Yeah. Put some hot water into the cup. Like this, all right? And then, once you put the hot water, you put a little bit of some cold water to make it into a lukewarm water. Give it a mix. Oh, thank you so much. You look, make everything look so good. Well, you just have to try your best, you know, make everyone happy. And that's what you want to do, guys. All right, very easy and simple. Now, this is what you want to drink in the morning when you wake up. All right, guys. Yeah, this right here, just this. So this can help you to reduce your blood sugar and even help you with your blood pressure and your cholesterol level. Right here. Let's drink. Perfect. All right. 100%. This is perfect.